richest derby in India is back in Bengaluru, and the trophy of the 2015 Bangalore Derby was unveiled by actress Sanjana today. Here's more.
The most awaited equestrian event of the year is just a week away, and the trophy of the Bengaluru Derby 2015 was unveiled by actress Sanjana today at the Bangalore Turf Club. The event also saw the chairman of the Bangalore Turf Club, Hari Mohan Naidu, along with Senior Vice President, Marketing of United Breweries Limited, Samar Singh Shekhawat, unveiled the trophy of the winner and the runners-up at the event. Sanjana, who is associating with the derby for the first time, spoke about her love for the event and why she chose to be part of the event this year.
For me, it's new experience. It's come to me the very first time. I'm coming into a derby the very first time. For me, derbies were something that happened in films on the 75mm screen. I've gone to see films. It might be a Hollywood film. It might be Hindi films. When you come in here, you see people who are so high-spirited, who are having fun, and who are jumping around the place. They are making the most of life. So yes, that's what we are looking at when it comes to this particular derby this season.
When asked about her plans to participate in the derby this year, Sanjana showed more interest in dressing up grandly for the event, which is usually an attraction at the event every year.
I'm here to have fun. I'm here to dress up really well. I want to be the eye candy. I want to wear my best new shades. I want to be wearing a nice hat and the best designer wear, and I'm going to hang out.
United Breweries Samar Singh Shekhawat also spoke about this edition of the Bangalore Derby 2015 and said that, like always, the event will be better than last year.
Every year the purse goes up. Every year there are favorites. We've leveraged this beyond just the race itself. There is, there are several events. There is the trophy reveal. Then there's the starter draw, which is happening later next week, and then of course the race itself. And in the past we've done charity events around it. We've done pubs and bar promotions, etc. around it, and it's a preeminent event on Bangalore social sort of calendar, and we've been associated with this for 28 years, right from Vittal Malia's time, and we are really happy and proud to carry this forward.
Shekhawat said the country's second richest derby will get richer and the prize money will be bigger this time.
2.5 crores or thereabouts, which has really been the region in the last few years, and along with the McDowell's Indian Derby, they are the two richest, most prestigious races in the country. So that's an affirmation of the values that the sport brings, and we believe the brand has the same values as well.
All roads will lead to the Bangalore Turf Club next Sunday. So if you love equestrian sports, you know where to head. Vivek Vinayak, News 9, Bengaluru.